Do you need inexpensive but laser-targeted traffic to your websites and offers? Well, in this video, I'll reveal a powerful method for getting one of the best sources of buyer traffic for any product or offer in any niche. And I know your time is valuable, so I'll get right to it. Recently, there's been a major shift in online marketing technology that you can take advantage of for all of your traffic needs. Now imagine for a second being able to harness the power of the second largest search engine in the world. Better yet, imagine getting your products, services, or offers directly in front of millions of laser-targeted customers that are actually looking for information about your product. So what is this super effective traffic method? It's actually very simple. You put your products directly on highly relevant pages on YouTube where the given pages allow advertisements. Remember, YouTube reaches more adults between 18 and 35 years old than any cable television channel in the world today. I mean, think about that for a second. In fact, people watch 1 billion hours of video footage on YouTube every single day. So no matter what subject you are searching for on YouTube, you will find hundreds of relevant videos that have hundreds of thousands of views. So could you imagine having your product in front of thousands of targeted buyers within the next couple of hours? Whether you're in e-commerce, affiliate marketing, product creation, blogging, or pretty much any kind of internet marketing, this advertising method works extremely well. Because people watching monetized YouTube videos in your niche are some of the most targeted traffic you could ever go after. But as simple as this sounds, there's still a huge roadblock you must overcome when finding targeted monetized videos on YouTube. For example, let's say you run an online e-commerce store selling kitchen-related products. Now keep in mind this idea will work for virtually any type of product like software or online SaaS products, software as a service, or affiliate promotions, pretty much anything. So let me show you an example. Now for this example, I just used Google and I found a Shopify store that's actually selling a coffee machine. So just to show you an example here. Let's say this is your product and you want to promote it on YouTube. The way to do this, as I explained, is you want to try to find these videos that have a lot of views on YouTube and you want to place your advertisements on those videos. But it does get a little difficult when you're doing this manually, but it's not impossible. Let me show you how to do it. So what you do is I typed in coffee maker and then I looked at all the videos and I want to make sure that the videos have at least 1,000 views. As you can see on this one here, let's just go to the first one. And this is where it will get kind of difficult. You have to know whether or not this actual YouTuber is allowing advertisements on this particular video. Now what I'm referring to is sometimes you'll see a video ad come up, or you might see an overlay ad over here. Now you do see an ad up in the right hand corner here as well, so that might indicate whether or not this particular YouTuber is allowing advertisements on their video. And so in order to do that, you'll have to refresh the page over and over again. Oh, we can see an ad coming up right now. So this actual YouTuber is allowing advertisements over top of their video, so that this actually will qualify as one of the links we can use in our ad. So here's what you have to do, and this is where it gets a little bit difficult. You'll have to copy the link into some sort of document. And then I also want to have the views, the date published, the number of likes, dislikes, and the number of comments. So to do that, you have to kind of just go like this and select and write, or do a Control C to copy. And I'll come into my document here and I'll just paste it. And then I also want to get comments, just click there. And now I want to transfer this information into a better format, such as an Excel document, like so. So I'd have to come in here and manually copy each one of these into the appropriate column. So you can see just how difficult this can actually be when you're doing it manually. Now you actually have to have around 50 to 200 videos in order to have a real successful campaign. So as you can see, although this targeting method is extremely effective, it's still difficult to find those monetized videos for your ads. Introducing Vlueo, a cutting-edge, brand new, one-of-a-kind software that allows you to quickly find highly relevant and popular monetized videos on YouTube in whatever niche you're marketing in. And it's awesome. It works on Mac, PC, mobile, any device that has a web browser. And once you've located your monetized video, you can start showing your ads on them in a matter of minutes, getting your marketing message in front of hordes of laser-targeted traffic. So here we are inside of the dashboard, and what we're doing is we're looking at the video search. So I went ahead and I typed in coffee maker, and I just got 207 relevant videos. Can you imagine how long that would have took us to do it manually inside of this Excel file? It would have took a long time. But in here, this took a matter of minutes, and it brings back all the videos, and it shows you the actual video that it got. It also tells you the types of advertisement it allows. Now, you have to keep in mind that all of these videos, every single one of them, allow you to advertise on them. That is the one crucial thing. When you're doing it manually, you got to keep refreshing the page to even see an ad shows up. But in this system, it does it all for you. So you can see here, there's a video overlay, and there's also a video ad. And you can see the total number of views, the likes, dislikes, and the number of comments, as well as the date it was published. So now you have access to endless amount of videos that you can use for your ads targeting. And to export all of your YouTube links is very simple. All you have to do is select the ones you want, or you can click the select all button to select all the videos in your list. Then you can click show URLs, and you can click the copy button, and you can grab all of those and you can paste them wherever you want, into a document or into your Google ad. In addition, you can also download them all into a comma delimited file right onto your computer. Or you can save it to a new list within your own account. And what's awesome, you get to save unlimited number of lists within your Vlueo account. In addition, if you want to see the actual ad that appears over top of the video ad in particular, just click this little eyeball and boom, you will see the ad. If you want to see the original video, you just click the image on the left-hand side and you'll see the actual video that you want to be advertising on as well. And of course, you can click it and go over to YouTube and investigate more of what's going on the actual YouTube page. So you can see just how powerful the video search tool is within the Vlueo platform, and how it will dramatically reduce your ad spend, but also give you that precision targeting for all of your offers when you are advertising your products on YouTube. Now, if you thought the video search was powerful, that's just the tip of the iceberg. We have other amazing features no other services have. Another very time-consuming task when running your Google Ads on YouTube is creating your campaigns and manually inserting the video links into your ads. But with the built-in Google Ads Builder tool, with a single mouse click, Vlueo will create an advertising campaign with an ad group and a placeholder ad, as well as automatically insert all your YouTube video links directly into your ad campaign. It really cannot get any easier than that. You basically select the videos, click the Google Ad Builder button, and your ad is set up and nearly ready to go. All you have to do is just log into your Google Ads account, change the placeholder text and images, then enable your ads, and boom, you're ready to go. But that's not all. You also get accurate video ads tracking and analytics inside Vlueo. Vlueo has a cutting-edge built-in tracking solution directly inside your account. It's well known that most tracking systems use a third-party tracking solution, such as Google Analytics, which can result in very unreliable and non-accurate data. The Vlueo tracking system uses a first-party cookie tracking system, providing you with very accurate tracking solution. And you need a reliable tracking system to run successful YouTube ads so you can kill off the non-converting campaigns that are costing you money. Our beta testers also remarked on how easy it is to use, especially compared to the massive nightmare of features inside of Google Analytics. And when using the built-in Google Ads Builder inside of Vlueo, Vlueo will automatically insert your tracking links into your Google ad campaigns, or you can copy the tracking template into your Google ad campaign. You no longer have to fumble around Google Analytics or any other complicated tracking services to see which ads are working and which ones are not. Inside of Vlueo, you get to create unlimited tracking links. You get an analytics charting function. You can also export all your clicks and conversions to comma delimited file for offline analysis and detection. The algorithm we use will spot fraudulent and multiple clicks on your URLs. You will also get an IP blacklist for your Google Ads account to reduce advertising costs to boost your conversions. There is nothing like this complete system available anywhere online. With the video ads tracking tool, you can track your conversions and see how your ads are performing at a glance. And there's even more. You can also use Vlueo to find YouTube creators that you can ask to promote or advertise your products directly. They used to be hard to find, sometimes taking days to come up with a suitable list of prospects to approach. Now you can find a list of them in literally seconds. Simply click the Create a Search button, enter your main keyword, and it will bring up an instant list of channels, content creators, or influencers. You can now reach out to them instantly, as Vlueo will provide you with their social media links, emails, and website links. You can even find out how popular these YouTubers are. You can look for what we call realistic YouTubers, or people with, say, less than 100,000 subscribers. By realistic, I mean these people are not so famous that they might ignore your message. You can also select a minimum amount of views so you know they have an audience to advertise to. You can also filter by total uploads and monthly uploads to accurately narrow down your results even more. And in the results, you can see the number of subscribers, the total videos, views per video, uploads per month, total channel views, and the date the creator started on YouTube. And just like with the other video search, you can also export lists of creators to a CSV, separated file, or a list inside of your account. And again, you can save an unlimited number of lists within your account. Need some inspiration for creating your own video ads? Well, inside of Vlueo, you also get access to a growing array of YouTube video ads. Here you can spy on your competitors and look at the ads they are using. You can get access to a constantly growing list of all video ads and statistics. You can refer to these ads as often as you like to discover what does and doesn't work for you to make a positive ROI with YouTube advertising and drive down your ad costs. Now, we didn't even stop there. If you decide to get access to Vlueo today, you will also get free access to the powerful keyword generator and analysis software called Keyword Atlas. Let's take a quick look at this software. Here it is, we're inside of Keyword Atlas. Let's type in the word coffee, continue on from our previous example. Now what we can do is we can select the country, and we can also select the sources. We have up to 21 sources to select from, including search engines, e-commerce sites, video, as well as the Google Play Store and Wikipedia. And all the keywords are generated from all of these different sources using the auto suggest feature of each one of these sources. Let's go ahead and just select all the video for now and then click start. I put the word coffee in there, it'll go out and find hundreds of very highly relevant keywords that you could use to search inside of Vlueo, and some of these keywords you would have never thought of. As you can see, in less than 1 minute, we got 1,204 keywords that we can actually do more research on within this particular niche of selling coffee makers. And we can sort by the position score. The position score will tell us where this particular keyword was positioned in the auto suggest drop-down of each one of these sources. So the higher the actual position, the higher the position score. So this is a very popular keyword amongst all of these video search engines, coffee commercial, but now we can start looking at different stuff that we would never thought of. Let's say, for example, coffee roasting. Now, it even gets better than that. Let's say we want to see the actual search volume of these actual keywords. We do have a feature in here where we can utilize 2 free sources to get keyword search volume from Storybase, which is searchvolume.io, or the Google Keyword Planner, which is also free. We have videos waiting for you inside of Keyword Atlas to help you with anything you need to do inside of these different systems to get it working for you. But for now, let's go ahead and just try using the story base. So all you have to do is just click this button right here. It will automatically bring you to story base. And all you have to do is right click and paste, click submit. And when it's done, you download it to your computer, select where you want to put it, and save it. Next is you simply grab the file you've exported and you just drop it in, and boom, you've got the search results right there. So these are the monthly searches provided by that particular website. And you can also do this for Google Keyword Planner. And now it even gets better than that. Let's say you wanted to do some further investigation on some of these actual keywords. For example, coffee roasting, coffee shop, coffee ice cream, things like that. And all you have to do is right click and you can send this over to the related keywords tool, and now you can get additional related keywords to those keywords from these 6 different sources. Click the start button and it'll start collecting more related keywords. Just like that, we have another 112 keywords we can work with, and just like the other tool, you can also get the search volume very, very quickly. And if you have troubles trying to come up with a good keyword phrase, we also have something in here called an idea generator. So you can select the idea generator, type in your singular version of your actual main keyword. Let's say, for example, coffee mug, and you can see it will automatically populate all these different keyword search phrase ideas. We can do a plural version as well. Let's say coffee mugs. We can do a year, say 2019, and we can have a region. A region can be absolutely anything. So it can be like, like New York, or it could be like city, or, in the park, just some sort of region that you want to define in your keyword phrases. So let's just go ahead and put New York. Now we can see in here all of the different phrases that we can select from. So we've got like how, why. So if we go and collapse them, we got regions, shoppers and conditions, best and top promos. So let's say best and top, best coffee mugs for. So if you actually double click that, it'll add it to your search list, and then you click OK. It'll add over here. So what's going to happen is in the auto suggest, the system is going to replace that little asterisk with a letter of the alphabet and gather the auto suggest keywords from all those sources. So now you have even more keywords. Keyword Atlas is an amazing tool that can give you thousands and thousands of keyword ideas that you would have never dreamed of. We also added some very convenient quick filters. At the very top, you'll see these little filter icons. All you have to do is click that, and you can see you can search within the column very quickly. For example, let's say you want to look for just keywords or just entries that have the word music, and you can easily remove that filter, or you can use other filters like this, or you can actually define your own filters by manually typing them in here and apply it to the column. You can easily remove column filters, and we also have custom filters that you can manually define right here. As you can see, they will automatically show up. And getting your keyword data has never been easier. All you have to do is click copy, export sets of keywords, and if you want to export all of them, we give you this handy little export tool where you can use this for your Google Ads. So you can instantly select different batches of keywords. As you can see here, it puts them into different sets. And then you can do comma separated or one per line, and you can also add the matching. So there's the phrase match, the exact match, and you can easily just copy that list into your Google Ads very, very quickly. So this tool is extremely helpful when you're doing your Google Ads. And along with Keyword Atlas, you also get help tutorials to get you started right away using the keyword software. With the power of Vlueo and Keyword Atlas, you'll be seeing dramatic growth in your conversions and sales. Plus, you'll be saving a fortune on ad costs and increasing your ROI from each ad. And not to mention, you'll be saving a lot of your precious time along the way. Right now, Vlueo is the golden goose opportunity you've been waiting for, and the time is now to take action. Please note that we are currently running a limited special offer that will expire soon. Take advantage of Vlueo now and harness the money-making power of highly targeted YouTube advertising to grow your business to levels you never thought were possible. Thanks for your time, and thanks for choosing Vlueo.